Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by securing data and making sure the phone is ready. Backup contacts and important files, and confirm your Wi-Fi password and SIM/PIN. Once done, make sure battery is above 30% to avoid interruptions. Now go straight to Settings, tap Connection and Sharing, then choose Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. You are starting the action immediately, so you can clear connection caches and restore clean network defaults for troubleshooting or after a carrier change. You will now perform the reset and understand why. It clears saved Wi-Fi networks, mobile network settings, and Bluetooth pairings to eliminate corrupted profiles. Tap Reset Settings and confirm. This removes those entries but not your personal files. Once it finishes, reboot the Redmi Note 8 to ensure radio services restart cleanly. After the reboot, re-enter Wi-Fi credentials and reconfigure APN or Bluetooth pairings. This restores connectivity with fresh, uncorrupted settings and helps isolate persistent issues. You finish by verifying connectivity. Test calls, SMS, mobile data, and Wi-Fi on different routers or hotspots. If problems persist, toggle airplane mode on then off and make sure the SIM is seated correctly. Sometimes reinserting the SIM clears registration errors. If you still lack service, consider a factory reset only after backing up everything, because that reinstalls system settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if network registration fails after these steps, contact your carrier to check provisioning or request a SIM replacement.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.